With Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara, imagine your lashes now and imagine them with a 500% increase in the look of lash volume in just one coat. At IT Cosmetics, we work with plastic surgeons and dermatologists to deliver clinically tested, problem-solving products. Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara has proprietary elastic stretch technology that stretches the look of every lash wider and every lash longer. No lash is left behind as the lash-changing power brush coats every individual lash, from the shortest lashes just starting their life cycle to the longest lashes to everyone in between. It wraps them in a volume-boosting, lengthening, ultra-conditioning black cape of power and color so you get your longest, thickest, most defined lashes ever. Super length, super volume, super black, Superhero is all about volume and drama. And when your eyes come alive, your whole face comes alive.